Folks, here I am showing you the difference between a rectangular window which is shown in blue to a triangular window which is shown in green. Supposing we plot the frequency response characteristics and have a log magnitude representation in dB, it can be shown that the blue response, which is the response of that of a rectangular window, has very little noise suppression capability as compared to that of a triangular window which is shown in green. Likewise, what we can do is we can compare this with a Han window, and we can, so here what we are doing is we are having a blue rectangular window and we are having this red Han window. If you really see when we are plotting the frequency response, we are plotting the response from below 0 onwards. So it goes from 0 to minus 50 dB to minus 100 dB, and it goes from 0 to around 0.5 normalized frequency in the x-axis. So what you can see is the frequency suppression capability of a rectangular window is much less than that of a Han window, and likewise I can actually do it for a Hamming window. So for Hamming window also, what we see is the blue is the rectangular window and the cyan one which we are showing is the Hamming window. If you really compare the frequency response plots for this, the plot going for the blue one is much higher than the one which is going for the cyan one, which goes much more down, and which shows that as the response goes from 0 to minus 100 dB and so on, the frequency suppression characteristic of a Hamming window is much higher than that of a going in is the response of a window. And what we have done is we have taken a window of length 25, and what we are doing is we are multiplying with no window, which means it's equivalent to multiplying with a rectangular window. So what you can see is you can see ripples in the pass band and in the stop band because of Gibbs phenomena. Now in case I want to suppress this ripples, I can actually apply something like a Hamming window and I plot this. Can you see that the ripples are gone? Likewise, I can again have a no window and I can have the set of ripples, and supposing I multiply it with a Blackman window, and can you see that the ripples are gone? So what we have done is we have eliminated the effect of Gibbs phenomena by multiplying a particular system with a given window. Again, if you see, if I have only a rectangular window, now this time I can take care of a Kaiser window and I can plot this. Can you see the ripples are gone?